Let the volume of each solution be V millimoles of O to the power equals 0.1 V. Millimoles of H to the power plus equals 0.01 V. The strong acid completely neutralize an equal amount of strong base. Remaining O to the power equals 0.1 V. 0.01 V equals 0.09 V mole. The total volume is V plus V equals to V. The resulting hydroxide concentration, O to the power equals 0.09 V over 2 V equals 0.045 M equals 4.5 times 10 to the power minus 2 M. The pOH equals log 4.5 times 10 to the power minus 2 equals to log 4.5. Since log 4.5 approx 0.65, pOH equals to 0.65 equals 1.35. The pH equals 14, 1.35 equals 12.65. The answer is 12.65.